Hi Paloma TV. Here we are in Chile at the first day of an interesting conference. So I run a lab called Software Studies Initiative, and recently we started to analyze and visualize large numbers of social media data. Our most recent project is Photo Trails, where we visualized 2.3 million photographs from 13 global cities. So what can we learn from social media? Can social media be thought of as a mirror of social reality? Let's say we can compare Flickr or Instagram images, from rich areas and poor areas, from different downtowns, or we can compare images from hundreds of different university campuses. So that's one possibility. When you start looking at these image collections, you see with particular images which appear every place. So you have beautiful young boys and girls with makeup, with beautiful nails. We're always happy. They take pictures of themselves. You also have pictures of food. So obviously, you can't think of social media as a mirror of reality, right? It's a mirror. It's a mechanism to create self-representation, a very particular self-representation. But once you take out images of pretty girls and pretty boys, what is left is more individual, something which reflects how people think about the world, how we relate to their food. Do people look up? Do people look down? Are we smiling? What colors and photographs? So part of social media is in fact more of a mirror than not. And finally, we also have to remember Marshall McLuhan, who said medium is a message. So is Instagram, for example, a transparent mirror? Is it a tool for self-construction? Or is it simply a medium which imposes a very strong message with all photographs are the same size, all photographs are square, people use exactly the same filters. So when we use the filters in 13 global cities, we found that people use them very, very similarly. So I think this is an interesting dilemma. So there's a kind of three possibilities, and when we look at social media, we have to very carefully separate them to make sure we don't make fools of ourselves.